welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing really good. So today I'm here to talk about what are the things you need to pack in your bag or in your suitcases while you're moving to Canada. Seriously guys, you need to watch this video because if you're like me, you will end up packing many unnecessary things which you really don't want to bring. So watch this video till the end, and if you like it and if you find it useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. The first and very obvious thing you will be packing will be your clothes. So for the clothes, I would recommend you to do not overpack because you can always get your clothes from here as well. But if you're really into bright color clothes, then carry some of them with you, because here you will only get neutral color clothes. Like mostly in all the stores you will find neutral color clothes. So if you're really into colorful and bright color clothes, you can carry some of them with you. And for the winter clothes, do not overpack as well, because here winters in Canada are really harsh and like temperature goes down to -20, -25. So the clothes which are sold here are specially made to survive the winters of Canada. So I would really suggest you to bring only one jacket and few woolen clothes and a pair of shoes. And if you have boots, then you can carry them, but if you do not have them, no need to buy. You can always come to Canada and buy them. So yeah. And one more important thing, that if you like to wear traditional clothes, like I'm Indian, I like to wear suit, sari and kurtas. So if you really like to wear traditional clothes from your country, please bring them as well, because here you can find your traditional clothes, but they are very expensive. So I would highly suggest you to bring your traditional clothes, because here as well you will find people of your community. They always gather at some place and celebrate festivals together. So it will be nicer for you to wear traditional clothes and not feel left out. So you can carry your traditional clothes as well. And also some traditional jewelries like jhumkas and necklaces or rings, anything like that, you can always carry them, but not too much. Do not overpack anything guys. You will always find it here, but it can be sometimes expensive, but you can always find like all the things here as well. So do not overpack. So the second thing you need to pack is your utensils. So for your initial days, I would highly suggest you to pack some of your utensils which you use in cooking and to eat, like plates, bowls, some cutleries like knives and spoons, and some frying pans. And if you are Indian like me, please carry your rolling pin, that's belan, and your tawa to make chapatis. And if you are really into traditional pressure cooker, you will not find them here, so please carry them as well, because here you will always find the electric rice cooker, which I don't like. I really like the traditional one, so I brought it from India as well. And one more thing, if you really like to eat in steel plates or in steel containers, please bring them as well, because it's very hard to find like steel plates and bowls. So if you like to eat in steel utensils, please bring them as well. So the third thing you need to pack is spices. If you really like spicy food and if you want to put some spice in your food, like mostly Indian people and Pakistani people like that. So if you really like them, please bring some of the spices with you, because here you will find them, but they are a little bit expensive. So I really don't want you to run to the store each and every time to buy the spices. So it's always good to carry some of them with you. So please bring some of the spices with you. And for your initial 4 to 5 days, I would really recommend you to bring some ready to eat food items, because when you are too tired to cook, you can always go ahead and use them as well. And also if you do not have access to the cooking in your early days, so you can always go ahead and use them, and you just need to boil or microwave and it's good to go. So please carry some of them with you. So the fourth thing is bedsheet and pillow cover. Please pack 1 or 2 bedsheet and pillow covers with you, because as soon as you will arrive here, you will need them. You can always find them here as well, but what I find that they are a little bit expensive as compared to India. So if you really want to buy here, you can go ahead, but I would suggest you to bring some of them with you from India. And also pack 1 blanket as well. So the fifth thing you need to pack is some bathroom essentials. Please pack some of your bathroom essentials which you are going to use every day, like toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, soap, and also some towels. Because when you are here, I really want you to focus on settling down, finding a job, and finding a place to live. So please pack some of the bathroom essentials with you. So number 6 is electronics. So you can always carry your mobile phones and laptops with you if you already have a laptop. But if you do not have, please do not buy it there. You can always come here and buy your laptop here. Other than that, you do not need to bring any other electrical appliances or any electronics, because it will not work here. I brought a kettle and iron, and my husband brought his trimmer, but it did not work here because of the voltage difference. And also the sockets are different here, so I would recommend you to bring some travel adapters so that you can charge your laptop and mobile phone if you are bringing it from your own country. So yeah, you can carry your mobile phones and laptops, and other than that, do not bring anything. So number 7 is medicines. So medicines in Canada are really expensive, so I would really suggest you to pack some of the basic medicines for cough, cold and fever. Just like a few of them, do not overpack them. And also, if you are prescribed for any medicine, please do carry them with you, and your prescription as well. So last but not the least is your documents. Please carry all your documents with you, like your passport, PR card, work permit, and most important, your driver's license. What I would suggest you to make some hard copies and also some soft copies of your original documents. Please also carry a passport size picture of you, and don't forget to make the copies of your resume, because as soon as you will arrive here, after settling down, you will go out for interviews to get a job. So it's always good to prepare beforehand and keep the copies of your resume, so that you don't have to go out and print out your resume all the time. And also don't forget to carry some cash, so that you can pay for the taxi and cab fares, and you never know, you can need them anywhere. So please carry some cash as well. So according to me, these were the necessary things to pack in your suitcases while coming to Canada. I hope you guys found this video useful, and if I forgot to mention anything, please let me know in the comments down below. And very soon I will be sharing a video on how to buy your first house in Canada, so stay tuned for that. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, lots of love and take care. Bye bye.